Introduction, Bike Empire. Welcome to Bike Empire, your home for honest two-wheeler insights. Today's spotlight is on one of the most trusted commuter bikes in the market, the Hero Splendor Plus. Known for reliability, mileage, and low running costs, this bike continues to be a favorite among daily riders. Design and build quality. The Hero Splendor Plus carries a simple and classic commuter design that appeals to riders of all ages. Its slim profile, practical seating, and lightweight build make it extremely easy to handle in city traffic and narrow streets. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine, the Splendor Plus focuses on smooth and efficient performance rather than outright power. The throttle response is gentle and predictable, making it ideal for beginners and experienced commuters alike. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is the biggest highlight. The Splendor Plus is widely known for delivering excellent fuel efficiency, helping riders save significantly on daily travel costs. It's perfect for long-term ownership and budget-friendly commuting. Comfort and ride quality. With a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and soft suspension setup, the bike offers a relaxed riding experience. Whether it's daily office runs or short city trips, the ride remains smooth and fatigue-free. Features and technology. The Splendor Plus keeps things simple with practical features like i3S start-stop technology, analog meters, durable tires, and reliable drum brakes. Everything is designed for ease of use and long-term durability. Price and value. One of the strongest selling points is its affordable price combined with very low maintenance costs. Spare parts are easily available, and servicing is economical, making it a true value-for-money motorcycle. Final verdict. The Hero Splendor Plus remains a legendary commuter for a reason. If reliability, mileage, and low running costs are top priorities, this bike stands out as one of the best choices in its segment.